Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Apple ID credentials and two-factor authentication. This is the single gatekeeper for App Store and iTunes access. Next, make sure device date/time is automatic, and test on both Wi-Fi and cellular with VPN disabled so network filtering isn't blocking Apple services. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, and confirm payment and shipping and media and purchases show no holds. These steps remove most basic account or network blocks before deeper fixes. If the account shows disabled, use iForget. Apple. COM to reset or unlock your Apple ID, that removes server-side locks. After resetting, sign out of your Apple ID on the device, force quit the App Store and iTunes, then sign back in to refresh tokens. If problems persist, back up your data and reset network settings to clear corrupted caches. For stubborn cases, restore the device via Finder or iTunes in recovery mode. This rewrites system files that can fix persistent authentication failures. Finally, update iOS or Mac OS to the latest release so any server or certificate mismatches are resolved. Then attempt sign-in again. If the account remains disabled, collect device diagnostics in Settings and contact Apple support. Explain steps you took and provide error messages or timestamps. As a last resort, perform a recovery mode restore using Finder or iTunes. This will erase and reinstall the OS, so make sure your backup is complete. Troubleshooting tip: if you see a specific error code, tell support that code.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.